Hello coin engineer, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm gonna explain you how can you use Tonkeeper, how can you deposit, how can you withdraw, how can you send crypto and other everything into the there. Let's get started. First of all, you need to take a look chromewebster.google.com. Don't worry about that because I will provide you at the description and below of this video the relevant link to just click this. But in there, if you don't want to click our link, it's also normal. Just visit to chromewebster.google.com and then you will see this screen and click search area and then put our Telegram product name, Telegram wallet name, and then you will see tonkeeper.com. And especially you need to take a look. It's the verified account, it's not. And then click Tonkeeper wallet for Ton. And I had already set it up in my computer, in my device from Chrome Web Store. That's why I see button, but in there I don't see it. That's why I will click delete is Chrome. I mean delete from Chrome. And then click remove again, and you will see this button. You will see install button in Russian version. I'm seeing uстановить. It's the same list. And click uстановить and add extension. And our extension will be downloading. And yes, just click right thing and click ping. And you will see click Tonkeeper again. First of all, we need to click get started. And then create new wallet. And if you had already created at the previous times your own Tonkeeper wallet, you can absolutely click existing wallet and then need to your own 24 first to put and then click continue. You can back up, you can back to your own previous wallet, but in there I just think like that you have no any Tonkeeper and that's the first time in wallet, and then that's why I just click get started. Click new wallet. I mean, that's why generating wallet. Your wallet has just been created. Continue. And you will see our 24 words. They are so matter. That's why you are able just text, just write in piece of paper full of words and make sure they are readable or not. And then click continue, and don't forget that in there, if you want to take a quick video, you need to do that. Take a picture from your own phone. Just take a look other parts of the setting up this wallet, and we need to force. Which one is the force? Grace. And then 9th, crucial, and then 23rd, click. Click continue and create your own password. Password does not match. Re-enter your password. Password does not match. And yes, click continue. Congratulations, you have set up your own wallet. And then you absolutely click again the extension. You will see your own Tonkeeper. Sorry. If you want to buy your own crypto using just Tonkeeper, click buy. Mercury, Crypto, MoonPay, Transact, they are just on-ramp solution. And probably you will see Crypto, Mercury, MoonPay, or Transact in your country. Sometimes on-ramp solutions can't support you in other different country. But if you are seeing, for example, Transact is one of the most popular solution on-ramp solutions, and click Transact and click buy Ton. You will direct to global.transact.com. For example, British pound, you want to pay 300 British pound using Visa or instant transfer. Apple Pay is not compatible with these devices. And if you are using iPhone, you can absolutely do this easily just using Apple Pay. And see fees calculation. Total fees, I think, is also higher. That's why I absolutely don't recommend that you buying on-ramp solution, using on-ramp solutions. For example, you can use Google Pay. Total fees is still so much. Open banking, so much faster payment. Yeah, but I have to explain you just by now. That's it. Just input your own email and then your own card and bank account details. That's it. But I will show you how can you send and receive, how can you swap or other things into here, and you can use other methods. For example, MoonPay, maybe Nate Crypto, Mercury IO, and other on-ramp solutions maybe can be. It's also plausible, especially at the total fees, at the transactions, payment fees topics. That's why I absolutely don't recommend that you. And so, how can I how can I deposit, how can I buy crypto in Tonkeeper wallet? I can say that, sorry. Just click receive and you will see your own address. You can scan the QR code from your own cell phone or your friend's cell phone, or copy address and go to Binance, MXG, Get.io, Kucoin, and where Toncoin can be listed on there, or you can, using transactions, transfer your funds to Toncoin blockchain network. Just put amount in here and click withdraw button into the centralized exchange. I said again, Binance, Coin, and other examples, and then put the copying address in here, and that's it. For example, if you want to transfer USDT to there, you can use Toncoin and Tonkeeper wallets receive function. That's it. After the minimum of 30 seconds and maximum of 1 minute, you absolutely can see your own wallet and you can hold your own crypto in Tonkeeper, and you don't need to pay the fee, hire a lot of transactions fees using the on-ramp solutions. But if you want to still do this, you can click use other ways. Back to square one, click receive, click buy, and they are not plausible, click otherwise to buy, and you will see open Telegram desktop. You will see Tonk community in there, and you can transfer and you can use P2P markets directly from Telegram wallet, and you can buy your crypto from P2P, and you can then transfer to your own Tonkeeper, and you can buy crypto bought P2P, and you can transfer from centralized exchange. I had already said about that. And decentralized exchange, I mean DEX. There are a lot of ways and methods to buy and hold your own crypto. And then you can send. If you, for example, bought $100 Toncoin and you need to send $50 to your friends, and first of all, getting your friends copying address and copy your address from, for example, Telegram messaging, and then click send and recipient address. If you have any comment, you can absolutely put, or vice versa, or otherwise you can just pass your friend's recipient address, and that's it. Click continue. After taking a 30 seconds, 1 minute, you will see the transaction is completely successfully completed, and your $50 of Toncoin or other cryptocurrency to send your own friends. That's it. And our other method on the Tonkeeper wallet is a swap. It's also easy. Just put Ton amount or other cryptocurrency, which one is available on the Tonkeeper wallet. And then, for example, I want to swap one Ton coin to USDT. Just put relevant amount, or I have a 10 Ton coin and I want to convert full Ton balance to USDT. Click max, and then you will see button swap button. Yes, that's it. You can swap easily without any decentralized exchange in the tier. And then you can use browser, for example, Stone.fi, Ton Dating, Token Store, everything on the decentralized application on Ton Telegram blockchain network. You can touch using Tonkeeper Wallet's browser. And then if you take a look some other your own transaction, you can use history, or you can set something. For example, you need to see connected apps. You can click settings and you will see connected apps function. You need to sign out. You can click and you can find it from settings, and you can take a look other things from settings. That's it about the Tonkeeper. That's it about how can you use Tonkeeper wallet, how can you deposit, swap, receive, and other things. want to learn any more, don't forget to subscribe our channel, smash the like button, join our Telegram, and follow our Coin Engineers account from Twitter, I mean X, and Instagram. That's it. See you on the next push time.